I just was so excited about finally getting one of these do-it-yourself kits that I decided to record it. It's my first one ever, and I got it at the local Japanese festival we had this weekend, which I probably paid way too much for it. Probably about $10, but yeah, $10. But the extra money, you know, goes to help support the gardens, so I don't mind so much. So this is some sort of washing machine powdered candy kit. I'm sure there are plenty of people who have tried this before me, but it's super exciting. And it's from the company called Heart. And it looks like you can get 4 different kinds. Totally hoping I have the pink one. Doubt it. And all of the instructions are in Japanese. So this is going to be super exciting. Let's open it up. It looks like I got the little white one, which is my second pick. So, I don't mind. We have a straw, a little kit, white, blue, powdery packet, and, oh, stickers. And the actual pieces. This is cute. You're gonna get to see my absolute lack of grace as I drop everything. Oh, try busting this piece out. Okay. Alright, so we have all these pieces. Let's see what we need to do. Looks like the spinner, I guess, goes first, followed by the drum, and then the top. So, looks like it goes up like this. I'm assuming, it's a gear. That makes sense. Looks like that. And that's really easy. That wasn't too bad at all. How cute is this? And it gets a face now. Let's see. How do we wanna... I'm seriously amused right now. This is going to go on my desk at work. They actually give you suggestions. Little sugar dispenser, I guess. Air freshener holder. That's actually kind of a cool idea. Put those air freshener beads in it. I don't know exactly where you can find air freshener beads that aren't in like some sort of sealed container, but you know, not gonna lie, I haven't looked that hard. Let's see. It's got a little timer. It's not gonna have eyebrows. I put the face up too high. I'm okay with that. It's got bandages because apparently my washing machine takes a beating and keeps on going. Yeah, I've seen that a lot on Japanese toys, the bandage. I'm not quite sure why it's such a thing. What are... is that on the package? Oh, they're little cheek lines. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I decided to fight with the face a little bit, which I think I made it worse. Those stickers, once they're on there, they're pretty secure. And then I went and grabbed a bottle of water, which is what we will need for this. And it looks like we need to do 2 scoops of water into our washing machine. See if I can do this without making a mess. 1, 2, and then it says to, oops, and 2 scoops of powder. We're just gonna see what happens. I probably totally should have translated that before I attempted this, but oh well. With this blue packet, from what I've seen of other Japanese candy, I'm betting this is soda flavored. Like a Ramune flavor. One. I'm making a mess. Okay, sorry about that cutout. So I have my 2 scoops of water and my 2 scoops of powder. Kind of messing, and then we're just gonna see what happens. Oh, it's getting all foamy. That's probably a little too bright there. Do you see it kind of getting foamy? Oh, this is so cool. Well, a little bit of a workout to have some candy. I mean, this kind of looks like what it's going to do on the box, but I didn't expect it to be this much fun. You know, it's the little things in life. I wonder if we're ready or not. He's scared of. Very cool. Okay, he gave us a straw to try it with, so let's see. Oh, it's a little tart. I don't have all the powder mixed up. It's almost like a bubblegum flavor. I doubt it's supposed to be bubblegum. That's what it tastes like to me. Yeah. It's okay. I'm not a big fan of sour. The texture, the texture is really cool. You know, it's very foamy and bubbly in your mouth. It has a little tang to it. It's fun. It's not bad. Definitely not something I would probably finish. There's probably enough in here for 1 more, maybe 2. Maybe I should try it with only 1 scoop of powder next time. I might cut back on that tartness. It's kind of like a sweet tart. I mean, it's not the flavor of a sweet tart, but you know how sweet tarts are sweet and then tart? It's kind of what it is. So, yeah, I think it was worth it, just for a little bit of an adventure. So that was my first do-it-yourself kit. Small one, easy one, but I am really excited to try some more in the future. Actually, I have another one that I think I'm going to go ahead and do now.